All right, I've got the thermostat housing off with the thermostat in it. That's how it looks like that, eh? There. So I didn't have to take off the throttle bodies and airbox and all that stuff, which is a good thing. And here's the thermostat, the old thermostat. It sits there like that. On top, the 12 o'clock position, at 12 o'clock, there is a jiggle valve. So the service manual says to make sure it's in that position when you put the new one back in. And there's a new one. So nothing much to this job. I'm glad the Suzuki engineers position the thermostat housing like that, because it's fairly easy to access. Just lift the tank and away you go. Minimal dicking around, which is what I like. No dicking around. Right, so put it back together with the new thermostat. Fill it up, and should be back on the road. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.